Hey everyone, it's Jordy Clark. Welcome back to the channel. I am a real estate broker and investor for those of you that are new to the channel. And today I just wanted to do a quick video and talk about the importance of having a 6-month emergency fund as you invest for your financial freedom through real estate. Without further ado, we'll just jump right into it. I'm going to speak a little bit about my experience with emergency funds. Hopefully it's of value to you. You know, I used to think, I don't need an emergency fund. I've got a little bit of liquidity in the bank. We're good. Let's go heavy investing. Let's buy more. As I began to scale my real estate portfolio and I got to not only my personal house, but a few other rental properties, I started to figure out tenants don't always exactly pay on time. Sometimes you have furnaces that go out, and there's a lot of what ifs that come investing in real estate. So a wise mentor of mine was kind of helping me scale my portfolio and get closer to financial freedom. And he said, hey, you know, you should really have probably 6 or so months of your personal expenses set aside and 6 months of your business expenses if you can get to it. And I kind of discounted it at first. I was like, no, man, I don't need that. You know, that might work for other people, but doesn't work for me. Fast forward a little bit, he kind of mentioned me again and nudged it to me. And I was like, okay, yeah, you're right. I probably should set some money aside. We started selectively putting money aside for an emergency fund. 2 or 3 more times he kind of drilled it into my head over the next year or so. So we finally just funded it, and being fully transparent, I just funded it so he'd stop asking me about it. Well, we moved along and there was some world events that happened, and man, I can't tell you how grateful I felt and how secure it felt just to have 6 months of our personal and business expenses kind of set aside in a bank account. Man, it was cheap insurance because I slept through the night when I think normally I would have been stressing a lot. Luckily, all our tenants continued to pay on time, and we haven't really ever had to dip into it. Emotionally though, I think for me, it took a while to grasp because I'm very analytical, and I'm like, hey, you know, if I've got X amount of money sitting in the bank doing nothing, earning 0.1% if I'm lucky, why not invest that and, you know, actually make a return on my investment? And it wasn't until I had kind of some life events happen. Again, we didn't have to dip into our emergency fund, but just the fact of it being there definitely helped me get through some tougher times that I think I would have been more stressed out if it wasn't for that emergency fund. So just really wrapping this up, as you're investing for financial freedom, whether it's through real estate, low-cost index funds, you know, apartment complexes, single-family houses, storage units, whatever you may be investing in to get to, you know, enough passive income that pays your bills, it's super important to have extra liquidity sitting on the sidelines doing nothing, because if something comes up, it's nice to have that dry powder when you need it. And it's always easier to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. So overall, guys, please hit me with any comments below, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification to be notified of more videos like this so that you and I can get further to financial freedom. So we'll see you guys. Have a good one.